Hey, and welcome to today's episode of Hanging Out with me in my kitchen space. So today's episode is going to be quite a little bit different, and I'm going to be showing you how to use an electric cooker, and I'll be using this for demonstration purposes. This is a Von Hotpoint electric cooker, and as you can see, it's quite big. It's a 60 by 60 centimeters cooker, and you can get in different sizes. You can get one in 55 by 55, and you can also get another one in 50 by 50. And it goes without saying that the 50 by 50 centimeter is quite smaller than this. So as you can see, this occupies 2-foot tiles. As you can see, it perfectly occupies 2 tiles from there to here and from here to here. Yeah, that's what I mean by 60 by 60 centimeters. So I'm going to take you through how to use it and every function that it comes with. As you can see, this is a 4 burner, and as from the name you can see, this is a 3 gas burner and 1 electric, so that makes it a 4 burner. From here I have, this is the biggest burner, this is the medium one, and this is the smallest, and then this is an electric. It uses both electricity and gas. So this is the gas cylinder that we are currently using, and the yellow is the pipe connecting the cylinder to the gas, and the connection is right here behind. This is where it goes. It also has another similar pipe, but I do not know exactly what this one does. So let's start with the gas part, and this particular gas cooker comes with 4 knobs. This one, as you can see, it is drawn here, and this one lights this particular gas. This one lights this other particular gas. This one is for this, and this one is for the electric one. It has some numbers, and I'll get there in a few. This one, for example, when you want to light this particular one, it has a spark that ensures when you light it is automatic, so you do not need a lighter or a matchbox every time you want to light it. So when you want to light, because you do not need a matchstick, you need this. Yeah, you have to put that one on, and then you come like, yeah, as you can see, the clicking sound is for the spark that is going to ignite this and produce a flame. So let me show you how it is. So as you can see, this is how it looks when you remove that, and as you can see, this is the spark that I'm talking about. So when you press it inside, you can see it's somehow removing some sparks, but I cannot light it because moto itatokea hapa, and it is going to be such a big problem. Also, you need to know that for this one that comes with a spark, there is a special way of how to return it, and it has a hole that you use to put it in here, then that and that, and that's how you assemble this. And then let's come to this electric one. So for this electric one, of course, it uses electricity, and now that's when you need to switch on this. This one ensures that the socket can handle more power than usual, and of course, if at all you are a frequent baker and you use your oven or you use your electricity to cook every day, this needs to be connected to this down part. This black wire is supposed to be connected to, not here, but if at all you just use it once in a while and not daily, you can connect it here. So this is a wall socket, and all I know is that it ensures that a lot of power can be withdrawn for use. Here is what we have. This is the knob that we are going to be using for the electricity, and as you can see, it is written number 1 through 6, and once you light it, as you can see, this indicates that it's on. And on this other side, we have 3 more knobs, and these are used for the oven. So this particular cooker comes with an oven, and this is quite a large oven. First knob is for the timer, the second knob is for the functions, and the third one is for the temperature, but this I'm going to talk about them in a different video. So be sure to check out the next video or the previous video of how to use an electric oven. So now, since I've mentioned the basics of how to operate this, now let's get to the cleaning bit. And I have to put a disclaimer that for the cleaning products are damn expensive. I'm just going to keep it simple. You'll see that there's this like black grease, or which is not supposed to be there. And as you can also see on this other part, there's the black grease, and also on this machuma that is as a result of accumulation of oils and soups while cooking. And if at all you do not clean them immediately, this is what is going to happen. So let me demonstrate on how to clean. So you have to make sure you remove this and this. This can be washed separate in the sink and then you dry it. Also happens to this one, you can also wash them in your sink with other utensils. So now when you come to this particular part, as you can see, now this is where all the dirt lies. So I keep it simple by using the bicarbonate of soda and some vinegar. So you can also substitute this vinegar with a lemon or any other acid that you have in your house. And what actually happens is you pour the baking soda hapa kando kando hivi, yeah, like that, and then you introduce the acid. So you can use lemon juice, like the lemon fruit, you just squeeze it all around. For me, I'm going to use this because this is what I have at the moment. And once you pour it on top of here, it's going to have some effervescence. That's an easy kitchen hack. Yeah, and you can see this is what is happening. For this particular gas cooker, it's been imeshikilia kauchafu si mingi but ni kidogo, so if you do this like 2-3 times, you should be good to go. So this is what happens, and then you let it sit for about 5 minutes or so. When the reaction is over, you come in with your kitchen towel or a serviette or any whatever you use to wipe your countertops, and then unaipanguza tu hivi. So I'm going to leave it like this, and then I'll be back to wipe it off and you'll see some magic. And for this other side, you also do the same, and yeah, it's going to nini kutoka because it wasn't like this. Nilikuwa nimetoa hapo mbeleni nikatoa kiasi. So something else that I forgot to show you while cleaning this, you can also, if you're told you do not have the vinegar and the baking soda, you can also use this. This is an old toothbrush na kipande ya sabuni yenye unatumianga tu kuosha vyombo, ama hiyo the scrub that you use while washing your utensils, and you come in and brush, and as you can see, it's actually removing more grease than you would actually imagine. You cannot scrub this with a steel wire because it's going to chip off this paint. Also remember to wash this particular part because hizo soap zikimwagika we get in right here. So as you can see, this one is quite clean from the inside. So I think that's it. So watch out for my next video, and I'll be showing you how to operate this oven, and it's an electric oven. And yeah, I think I'll see you then. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. And I don't know, you just have to like this video and you just have to share it because I'm just doing the most. I'm doing the most. For the big question is, would I recommend anyone to buy Wach appliances? Of course, yes, I would. Would I recommend anyone to buy this particular brand of the Wach Hotpoint 60x60? This particular model, I think I wouldn't. And the main reason is because of this. This, as you can see, this is a hot plate. And if you can look at it closely, unaona imeinuka hivi. It's like a dome shape, of which I've never seen in any other particular electric cooker. I've never seen this. Forget about the fading. And this particular gas cooker is 1 year 9 months, and as you can see, it's like this. And hii ilianza like after a few months of being used. It was barely 1 year, but this is what we have. So I wouldn't recommend anyone to buy this particular one, but you can also do your research and come to a conclusion. So this is the only down part of this particular gas cooker. I've never seen this and I do not know how I can explain it, and I do not know the reason. So if at all I was to buy another cooker, I wouldn't buy this exact brand. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.